Hello friends, today I will be discussing question number 8 of GATE Physics 2017. Now the question is like this. Consider a one-dimensional lattice with a weak periodic potential Ux equals to U naught cos 2 pi x by A. The gap at the edge of the Brillouin zone K equals to pi by A is, so the four options are U naught by 2, 2 U naught and U naught by 4. So we have to pick any one of these four options. So let us have a look at the solution to this question. Now we know that for a one-dimensional lattice, the EK diagram looks something like this. So we can see that at the Brillouin zone boundaries, which are at K equals to pi by A and minus pi by A, so at these locations, there are energy gaps which are denoted by Eg. And for this question, we have to find out the value of this Eg. Now, why do these gaps arise? These gaps arises because of the Bragg reflections of the electron waves. And these gaps are important because they helps us in determining whether a solid is a conductor, insulator or a semiconductor. Now also it is seen that at these Brillouin zone boundaries, the Bragg reflections that are taking place, they are equal for forward as well as for backward directions. As a result, at these Brillouin zone boundaries, standing waves are generated. So if we look at these two specific points, that is at point A and point B, then we can associate two wave functions, psi plus and psi minus. And if we normalize them, then we can see that psi plus can be given as root under of 2 by A cos pi x by A, and psi minus is equal to root under of 2 by A sin pi x by A. So psi plus is for point A and psi minus is for point B. And these standing waves, these are generated from the traveling waves. And the periodic potential energy of an electron at a location x in the one-dimensional lattice is given as U equals to U naught cos 2 pi x divided by A. So now we can use this U and the psi plus and psi minus and we can put them into this equation to give us the energy gap Eg. So this Eg is given as integration of 0 to A dx ux psi plus mod square minus psi minus mod square. So if we put the values of this u and this psi plus and psi minus, then we can get this equation. So integration of 0 to A dx u naught cos 2 pi x by A into 2 by A cos square pi x by A minus 2 by A sin square pi x by A. Now from here we can see that we can take this 2 by A common and this u naught is constant. So this 2 u naught by A can be taken out of this integral sign. And therefore within the integration sign we will have dx cos 2 pi x by A into this term. Now this is derived from cos square minus sin square. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. Therefore I will get cos 2 pi x by A for these two terms. And therefore I have dx cos 2 pi x by A into cos 2 pi x by A, and therefore that is equal to cos square 2 pi x by A. Now we know that we can substitute cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2 for this term, and therefore we will have this integration. So 2 u naught by A into 0 to A dx cos 4 pi x by A plus 1 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 goes. So we are left with u naught by a, and we have 1 over here. So for that we will have dx and this second term cos 4 pi x by a. Now we integrate. So integration of this dx is simply x, and the limit is from 0 to a, and the integration of cos is sine. So cos 4 pi x by a becomes sine 4 pi x by a divided by 4 pi by a. So if we invert that, so that becomes a by 4 pi, and the limit is from 0 to a. So we put a and 0, so sine 0 is 0, and if we put a, then it becomes 4 pi a by a. So a cancels, so we have sine 4 pi, and we know that sine 4 pi is 0, therefore this second term entirely becomes 0. So we are left with only this first term. So u naught by a into a. So a cancels, and therefore we are left with only u naught. Therefore the energy gap Eg comes out as u naught. And so if we look at the options, then the correct option for this question is option A. That is, my Eg is equal to u naught. So that is it. Thank you.